gone through the probate process, you know that it is one, lengthy, and two, expensive. So how can you really go through probate? What's the really true cost, right? What does it really cost you to go through probate? For many people, when I'm doing their estate plans, one of the main things that I try to do is say, let's try to avoid probate. And how do you avoid probate? Well, you can do it by way of trust. You can do it by way of transfer deeds. You can do it by way of naming beneficiaries on accounts or on life insurance or on your policies and so forth. However, if you are one of those people who are like, I still want to only do a will, I don't want to do a trust, I want my family to probate this will, let's look at the true cost. First, think about it. Your family just lost you. They're still grieving. If it's a wife and husband that you have been married any significant time, where you truly had a solid marriage, where you actually enjoyed each other's company, your loss will be a significant toll on the surviving spouse or on the surviving children. While they're going through that grief, they have to know how the mental space, the composure in order to go to the attorney, actually being able to have a significant say in an estate to make sure that your will, and if you left no will, that what you actually want done actually gets done. That's a hard ask for anyone when they're going through the grieving process. The second thing is time. Probate takes time, and therefore your family doesn't have immediate access to those assets. I've had people with thousands of dollars in the bank but have no money to bury the individual, and so they're doing a GoFundMe account in order to bury somebody who has the means to bury themselves. To me, that's an insult. Another thing is just the length of time that it takes to go through the probate process. If you have a will, then yes, you could possibly get through in like 2 months or so, but many courts are bogged down. Many courts have a very lengthy docket, and so you may be looking at 3+ months down the road before your family member, your loved one, gets access to those funds. And if somebody is contesting, if you didn't leave a will and there's intestacy, you could be talking about 6 months, a year, or more. The next thing that probate does, it costs money. Let's just think about somebody who died without a will. You have to pay for the attorney to do the probate case. You have to pay an independent third party called the attorney ad litem in order to find those intestate heirs. And then you are paying for 2 attorneys. God forbid somebody contests the administration, and then you could be in court for $7,000, $10,000, $50,000+. Is that really worth it? So how do you avoid probate? The common sense thing to do is to avoid probate altogether if you can. And that's when your trusts comes in. That's when your transfer deeds comes in. And that's when making sure that you have a designated beneficiary comes into play. And the best way to know what would work for you is to make sure that you get yourself in the office of a well-seasoned estate planning attorney who can walk through the process with you, design an estate plan that's just for you to make sure that your will actually gets done. My name is Megan Trowick. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, if you like it, please click like and please subscribe. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.